Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, cognitive computing. These buzzwords are endless and we go crazy with newer ones every year. The good part is that we all know the data science is in huge demand, but we have some bad news for you guys. Actually, people who are hiring for data science roles are no more hiring for people who just have a fancy tag or some basic know-how of AI and ML, because that won't suffice in this fast-pacing world. In fact, people are struggling big time to find a job after doing multiple courses from multiple education portals. So here we have top 5 data science courses for you. And let me tell you one really important thing. The rank of these courses, which I'm going to showcase in a while, are absolutely based on multiple parameters suggested by industry experts. And these courses would be much more helpful to those who are looking out to enhance their technical expertise. Plus, I would like to mention that this video is not sponsored and we truly respect all the institutes and professors who are working hard for our youth to grow in data science world. Hi everyone, this is Laksh from Kindle Analytics Academy. I have mentored hundreds of students in data science, worked for top FMCGs and banks across the globe and nurtured startups to define their workforce structure in data science. I get this question on a daily basis that which is the best institute to join for data science course? Which course is the best? Which course has the best content? Believe me, there are tons of options, which also means a lot of confusion. So let's solve this in our video today. But before we jump there, let's have few facts on the table. Why are we even interested in these courses? Because 70% developers are struggling to find the next big leap of their career. More than 50% of Python developers are still craving to work for an application-based machine learning models. And almost every job description in data science, by survey, it's more than 95% would require hands-on experience in Python, R, Tableau, SQL, SAS, and this list is almost endless. So now the question is, from where would you get this experience? Isn't it a chicken egg problem? You learn first or you get the job first. But industry says learn first. So this is where our research would play a vital role in explaining which course would give you maximum exposure to these hot languages and which institute would add its brand value in your brand value. What kind of experience you actually require, what's the cost of it, and how much time it will take you to make yourself industry ready. Right, now that's the keyword, industry ready. So without any further delay, let's jump onto the course. At rank 5, we have certificate course in data science from IIM Kozhikode, one of the premier institutes in India. And why we recommend this course? Because it only has a duration of 3 months. So if you can't spend an year, this can be a great choice. Here you can develop your expertise in data analysis with Python, data modeling using Excel, predictive modeling using Python, and a capstone project of your domain. And the cost is quite nominal, which is 85,000. Cool choice. Now next, rank 4, we have business analytics and optimization from IIT Delhi, an institute which needs no introduction. So this course is of 5 months in which you would learn multiple languages like Python, R, SQL, and Tableau as a tool. So they would also cover predictive modeling, prescriptive modeling using Python, and some basic concepts of machine learning. But this is going to be based on business point of view. So you would learn few basics of big data as well. And finally, as every course has a capstone project, so you would get a chance to do a capstone project in this course as well. And this is going to cost you around 70,000 rupees, which is also a cool choice considering the time and the content they are offering. At rank 3, we have business analytics and intelligence from IIM Bangalore. This course is of 8 long months in which you would learn a lot. Believe us, they start from data preparations, computations on advanced Excel to predictive, prescriptive, and descriptive modeling in Python and R. They cover all the concepts related to unsupervised, supervised, and reinforcement learning with all the application-based case studies. And they provide a material for the practice, and they focus on the concepts in AI and deep learning as well. And finally, of course, as in this course as well, you would get a capstone project and you'll be working with a team of data scientists. And this course would cost you around 9.2 lakhs, which is also a justice to the time and content they are offering. At rank 2, we have a course from the top-notch institute, ISB. This course is AMPBA, Advanced Management Program in Business Analytics. So this course is of 11 months in which you would learn languages like Python, R, SQL, and they'll focus a lot on application-based learning and supervised and unsupervised and reinforcement learning. They focus on data mining as well, considering the predictive and prescriptive modeling in Python and R. And they also focus on advanced Excel. So, and they cover NLP forecasting as well, which is kind of a unique feature in this course. And the capstone project would also be there under the supervision of top professors of ISB and a brainy team. We understand this course would cost you around 12 lakhs, which looks like a huge cost, but for a career, believe me, it's worth it. You have some ISB financing options as well. So it's up to your pocket. From our side, it's a thumbs up. Plus, you will also get few alum benefits. You will be included in their alumni network, and the brand value would give you a different kind of network which would not be able to get anywhere in this world, or I would say India. So it's totally up to you. From our side, it's a great course. So now, are you waiting for the best one? I'm sure you are truly interested in data science course. So here you go. Our top choice to polish your technical skills is one from Great Learning. Yes, it's PGP in data science and business analytics. This course is of 11 months and which you would scale up as a developer, analyst, data translator, etc. In fact, you would be able to fit in yourself in many profiles in many organizations with an expertise in Python, R, Tableau, and multiple application-based case studies, and they cover almost every topic in data science. They cover NLP, deep learning, big data, and they make your strong base of advanced stats as well. And these techniques are industry-wide acceptable. And finally, you get a chance to have a capstone project, which is going to be a month-long project and would help you find your own expertise in domain and interest in data science. So this project can be a good support for you to crack interviews, and I'm sure you'll rock in that. So are you interested to know the cost as well, or have you prepared your mind? We believe that cost is still a mystery. So before any delays, here you go. This would cost you only 2.7 lakhs. Isn't it really great? That you have to decide. We have given a ranking based on deep analysis on multiple parameters that we spoke. And after speaking to students passed out from some of the best institutions offering these courses, we came across this top choice list. So all the links of all the courses are here in the description below. Kindly comment for the next videos in demand. We are new and we need your love. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you like the video and want to be notified with more such videos. Please share across your network to help people around. All the best, guys. I'm sure you will rock.